Hello guys, Train Clips HD here. Welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Newton Abbot on the Great Western Mainline, also part of the Exeter Paignton line, also known as the Riviera Line. Here's 43021 with 43041 on the rear, with the 0936 Great Western Railway service to London Paignton from Penzance. This is the one that brought me in from Plymouth, and it's formed of the unrefurbished green set. Well done GWR, doing great. Yeah, 43041 on the rear. The man enjoys his stress support for life. Yes, the next stop for that will be Exeter Davids. So today at Newton Abbot you'll be seeing services by Cross Country and Great Western Railway. Here is 143,619 with the 0939 Great Western Railway service to Exeter from Paignton. It's also got another pacer on the rear, so we'll see that go out in a minute. Hopefully joining me in a minute should be Great Western Spotter. I'm not sure if he's joining me yet, but hopefully he should. So I will give him a shout out when he comes. So let's see what's next here at Newton Abbot. It should be a good day. Oh yeah, also, this is the first part of 3 of my Christmas special. So if you are watching this in the Christmas period, or in the festive period, a very, very Merry Christmas to you. So enjoy the video. Okay, just about to pull out now. It's the 0939 Great Western Railway service to Exeter from Paignton. Has a bit of catch-up time here at Newton Abbot. 143619. Yes, pacers. I know, they're fun, aren't they? One 43621 on the rear. Next stop that'll be Timoth, Dawlish, Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Poleslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Limpstone Commander, Limpstone Village and Exmouth. So let's see what's next. Okay, and the next train to come in is a terminating service from Paignton, the 0950 arrival, 143603. So we'll see that in a minute. Okay, now pulling in now is the 0955 Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. 43165. 43165 with a David Austin cartoon. No, with I can't remember the nameplate on the front. And on the rear, we'll catch the rear when it goes out actually. So see it when it goes out in a minute. Okay, just about to depart now is the 0955 Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington with 43165 on the front. And I did say in the previous clip that we'll get the rear power car as she goes out. There we go, we have lift off. Yep, we're moving. And 43139 will assist that for the rest of the way to Penzance. Will form a front power car of a Penzance to London Paddington, which I'll imagine we'll see at Timoth or Dawlish. I'll imagine we'll see that one again. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so Great Western Spotter is supposed to be on their 0950 arrival, but he overslept. How does it feel to oversleep? So, let's see what's next. Okay, now pulling now is the 1004 cross country service to Plymouth from the Derby. It's cross country Voyager.
First class is at the rear of the train.
This will form the 1125 to Dundee off Plymouth. So we'll see that one a bit later. Alright, Timoth to Dawlish. We'll probably see it at Timoth. Also pulling in now is the 1003 cross country service to Aberdeen from Plymouth via Bristol Temple Meads.
One of the 1007 Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Forward Torquay
There it is.
Paignton. This train has 2 coaches.
There it is. 221138. I didn't get the numbers of the cross country. Hang on a second. Let's just take a quick stroll, run up the platform. I'll be with you in a second. On the cross country Voyager, it's 22032, and that's going to Plymouth from Derby. So 1004 departure. We'll catch up on that in a minute. Okay, I think they're both just about to pull out now. Yeah, they're both pulling out now. So which one's first? Which one's first? Oh, it's a tense moment. Nah. Jingle bell rock. No. We're not going to sing Christmas songs either. We're not singing anything. Which first? Yeah, it's 1004 cross country service to Plymouth from Derby, and also pulling out it's 221138 with the 1003 cross country service to Aberdeen from Plymouth by Bristol Temple Meads and Birmingham New Street. With that. Next stop, that'll be Exeter St David's. I'm not going to read out the rest of the calling points because it's very painful, and I'll probably need 2 million gallons of water to, drink. So off that goes. Let's see what's next. Okay, just about to depart now. It's 143603 with the 1007 Great Western Railway service starting here at Newton Abbot going to Paignton, which I think is a totally pointless service, to be honest. But anyway.
GWML operates a penalty fare scheme from this station. Please ensure you purchase a ticket before you board. More information can be found at GWML.
Nice wave from the driver. A very nice wave from the driver. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. And then that goes off to Paignton, calling out Torquay and Paignton. What exciting places. Oh, when do they get rid of these paces? We'll have the 158s on these routes then. And that will be absolutely thrash on. So, see what's next.
29th of December.
Okay, now coming in now, it's 1024 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Bristol Temple Meads and Stoke-on-Trent from Paignton.
Visit GWR.com.
221132. And we'll see this one again in a minute. Okay, and also joining me now is Great Western Spotter, so go sub to his channel. Apparently he's got work this afternoon, so he's not going to be able to join me for Seawall. But anyway, okay, now pull out now, 1024, cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Bristol Temple Meads and Stoke-on-Trent. Next stop, this Timoth. 221132 on that one, and that's going off to Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, so like I said, joining me now is basically my spotter, who's only filming at Teignmouth with me today. So, because he's got work this afternoon to change people's lives, as he says. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, pulling now, 10:32, Great Western Railway service to Paignton. 143618. We also have a Penzance to London Paddington via Bristol Templemead coming in a minute, but we'll see that in a minute. Okay, pulling now is 10:32, Great Western Railway service to London Paddington via Bristol Templemead from Penzance. It's the 0741 off Penzance, and it's the 0948 off Plymouth. This was my train to Swindon. Well, Swindon and Bath Spa. .43088 was a great wave off the driver, thank you very much. And we'll see this depart in a minute. Okay, just about to depart now. It's 10:32, Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. This will go via Bristol Templemead. Should I get some tones off the driver? I'm not doing what you'll think I'm going to do, Charlie. Okay. You'll have lift off then? Sorry about the wet screen, it's raining now. Nice way from the driver? Yeah, and thumbs up. Alright, whatever. 43088 leads the helm. Tell you what, Charlie, you just should have came to Swindon and Chipping. It was great.
I know, I should have, but I couldn't tap.
Is that two Coach Fs? Oh no, it's Coach E. And on the rear, it's a regular 43032, and I've actually, oh my god! I've actually cabbed that one as well.
I've cabbed a plethora.
I've cabbed about 4 HSTs now. I'm trying to cab every power car, but it's not going to happen. Okay, that's calling at Exeter, St David, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bristol Templemead, Bath Spa, Chippenham, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. So let's see what's next. Okay, and for one of the final trains of the day is 10:39, Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Paignton, which is going to be mine and Charlie's train to Teignmouth. We'll be filming our next step. So, as she pulls in, I shall be ending the video here. So, thank you.
There it is.
Oh, actually, I'm not going to be ending the video yet. Right, we're going to stand in front of the pacer, so we could get in front of the train as soon as that pulls in. So, while I'm here, so thank you for watching my first part of my Christmas special here at Newton Abbot. If you've liked what you see here at Newton Abbot, then please do like and subscribe. Joining me is Great Western Spotter. He's going to be joining me at Teignmouth as well. See what's on this front of this HST quickly. On the front is 43174. Okay. Literally one second. Okay, so I shall see you all in Teignmouth. Take care, guys, in a very okay, since I didn't get to see the rear power car, let's see it now. 43182, and that is on the 10:38 Great Western Railway service to Paignton from London Paddington. So I'll see you guys in Teignmouth. Take care, guys, and goodbye, and a very Merry Christmas. Goodbye.